Fusion 360 saves all the files in the cloud. Now we can go to the data panel and you can see the name in which you have logged in. Now all your files are saved and you can see them in the project folder. Now you can also create your new project. Let us see how we can do that. I'm going to new project and I'm going to give a name to this new project. I'm giving real world components. So this is my new folder. I can pin it so that it is always at the top. So now I can open this folder and create my new folders. So I'm creating one folder called using extrude, in which I'll be having all extrusion products or parts, and the other one I'm going to create some train parts. So I'm going to make another folder called train parts. So here let us go to the using extrude folder, and here I'm going to create one component, a simple extrusion. I'll be giving a simple color to it. So this product I'm going to save. When I'm clicking save, because this folder is active, now it is showing the location as real world components, master and using extrude. And the name that I'm going to give is extrude first. I do not know why it always saves under this master name. If you know, you can let me know. So you can check the location over here. Because that folder is open in the data panel, it is showing that as the default. I can also change it. Now I'm going to click save. So here we have this component. So now I'm going back to the data panel, my original folder, and here you can see in the train parts folder it is empty, and in the using extrude folder I have one part that I've just created. Let me make a change to this component. I'm going to edit feature and decreasing the thickness. Now I'm going to save. Here in the version description it is asking me some name. So I'm giving second opinion. So I have to give some meaningful name to it. Now here you can see it is showing extrude first version 2. Now there are two versions of this file. In the future video I'll show you how we can retrieve it. Now for the time being I'm closing this file. Now if I want to open the same part, I can go back to real world components. I can browse to my using extrude folder and I can just click open to open it.